I went live from Instagram.
Exactly. This is what I'm saying. The very first show, he was like untamed, not disciplined at all, very casual in his approach. But yeah, we both have evolved.
Thank you so much, man.
From
All
that.
credits to you. आपने उस सब के बाद में मेरे को निकाला नहीं.
How many shows have you done with Diljit?
I guess this is our 72nd or 73rd show of
Wow,
my
72.
72 is 73.
72,
Yes, I'll have to again sit with diary and pen and recalculate it. Yeah, but yes, around that.
And
Thanks to you.
this one is your
30, 33, 34.
Wow,
33, 34.
what a speed!
Fast.
yeah.
Yeah, quite fast. Because India tour, it increased. Then we did Abu Dhabi, we did UK, Europe, and then we did Hong Kong, Malaysia. So
And
we
now
crossed
this
30
like-
now. And now this
They-
6 of them, 7 of them.
Yes. You have also evolved a lot. I know when we started working on our first tour, you used to be very irresponsible, used to be very casual in your behavior. We had to kind of tame you every single shows like Balli ye mat kar, Balli wo mat kar, Balli aise nahi hola. But now I must say that from last 2 tours you have been
Thank you so
groomed
much.
a lot. You've been very disciplined, you've been very dedicated. Now I don't have to catch you and say ye 4 cheezein kaise ho gayi. See, I must say that every single city, how you, both of you guys actually audition dancers, lock dancers in every single city, you train them, you rehearse with them, you start scouting them like way before we even start touring. What is the overall process like?
I think the first process for me is if they can dance, yeah, irrespective if they've gone on stage or not. But if they're able to dance, then I will get my work done. Yeah, then obviously when the brand comes in, when I pitch them, because in the start I don't tell them that why am I shortlisting you. I just tell them there's some show happening, some show. So they think inter college, inter something, some Bollywood society festival, something like that. But later when I like process and I shortlist my 14, then I break the ice and I'm like, okay, now what we are doing, and I send them the poster. That's it. I don't even say anything, and their reaction says it all. And then I start meeting them. So we go a little early, and then before we reach -2, -1, we start rehearsing formation, costume, alteration, which you can see is going on still right now, which is 1 hour left for the show. I think that's so, but I enjoy the rush, or I enjoy the chaos as well, because that's what comes out so raw on stage that people connect to that more from my side. I personally believe. So that's how we do it. Yeah, and then now new team as well has introduced again. They come for more dancers. Yes. So yeah, so they are also a part of that now. And the whole idea actually is to give a lot more people more opportunity from the cities, and like how we are getting. If we are able to get blessed from some way, we want to give it to others as well. I think that's the whole idea for me, and I think I'm learning from him as well, because he was the one who got me in this. When he called me in UK and like, bro, yes, I can. And I remember speaking to you on a video call, and I was so nervous that all I could say is yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am. That's all. I was so nervous, but yeah, now feels great, and looking forward for more upcoming shows, more process, more auditions, more chaos.
I remember when we were having a get together, maybe next tour onwards, we'll probably have our fixed set of dancers which we can rehearse more with and we are more prepared. But you added a very good point there that in every city, if we hire local dancers from each and every city, we create a lot more opportunity. Yeah.
No, so I think that opportunity is the main game, because see, for the ones, obviously it's a very big thing for us, but when they come on board, it's just a new energy that's coming for me, new perspective is coming for me. So I enjoy that side also, like understanding our core crew and then understanding their crew as well. Like I become somewhere a middleman to manage them and them at the same time, and then I come out shining somewhere after the show. And when we do that picture, when I get that picture, then everything gets satisfied for me and for them as well. Yeah.
Yeah. See, I remember on the last tour, one of the dancers did share this experience that Bhangra as a dance form wasn't getting much recognition, wasn't getting much, or let's say, wasn't getting a platform where they could also showcase their talent on the level that we've been able to do it together. Do you think you have seen that in person with all of your groups that you have worked with, that it has changed their career graphs as well as their motivation towards the dance form itself?
100%, man. Like when I call them, the first reaction, obviously, since they do Bhangra and everyone is a fan of Diljit Pari, you know, So we used to crave for such opportunities, Bhangra as a form, which was treated as just a शादी ब्याह में कर लिया, जब time pass हो गया तब कर लिया. But through these shows, we have been able to give them such big stage and opportunity that I have seen so many lives changing, ma'am. After the show, they get so much of local attraction, है ना, local people from the city. So they open the academies, they do the workshops, and ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਚੱਲਣੇ ਚਾਲੂ ਹੋਏ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਟੂ ਭਾਜੀ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸੋ ਹੈਪੀ ਵਿਦ ਦੈਟ ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਆ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਇਵੋਲਵਡ ਮਾਈ ਲਾਈਫ ਮੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਈ ਜਦ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੋਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪਸ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਵੈਡਿੰਗ ਸ਼ੋਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਇਆ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਈ ਗॉट ਦਿਸ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਐਂਡ ਐਵਰੀ ਸਿਟੀ ਵੀ ਗੋ ਉਸ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਂਸ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਇਸ ਸਟੇਜ 'ਚ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਦੇ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਡੂ ਕੋਈ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਟੀਮ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਈ ਸਾਲ में 2 बार कर लिया बट this is a ice bringing moment for them and this opportunity can do change their lives. So thanks to Pari, thanks to you
Thanks
for
to
giving us
Diljit.
this platform, this stage, biggest of all in each city for them. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.